Hey guys, today I will explain you and show you how to make like this parallax background by using these photos. These are multiple images that will make our parallax universe or background for our websites. So we have stars and background and mountains. So let's begin. First of all, we create a flex box in the top of our homepage. So let's select the flex box with the direction to the bottom, to down. So let's add a photo or image to our background. It's the first image that will be in the backgrounds. This is our image. Let's make it 100%, and let's make it 1000 for the height. For the moment, we'll change this after. Let's make it full width for the content. I guess this is okay for the first image of the background. This is we make it to the container. We fixed attachments with this image to the background, so we use it as a cover for the display. Perfect. So let's add some scrolling effects for the. Let's blur it a little bit when it fades out. Let's make it 4 or divide the viewport. Yes, we want this kind of when we scroll. But I guess we have a little issue. We want the image, the background image, to be fixed, so we'll modify this later. So let's add the other images of the parallax universe. So let's begin. Let's begin with the stars. We have 2 images of stars. This one, first one. Let's make it full. Let's modify the z-index also. Do not forget the z-index. It's the most important thing to make it work. So the image that will be in the front should have the bigger z-index than the one that will be in the back. This is the rule. So I will speed up a little bit this phase of adding images. Great, so this is our background. So let's check how it is. We still have an issue in the bottom of the page. The background is not fixed. It is not in cover mode. It doesn't cover all the page, so I will check with the heights. Let's change it to VH. This is the solution to this problem. And let's make it 100 in the VH of height. So let's publish it. There is it. So now our background and our images. Let's modify the animation duration to, let's make it too slow for the grass that is close to, so the animation became too slow. Oh, that's perfect. So let's make some modifications on the other images. Let's begin with the sun. Let's rename it. So in the image, and we want the sun to shine. So from the bottom to the top when we are scrolling down. So let's add scrolling effects. So we will add some vertical and some to horizontal to make it like it is shining. Let's want some vertical and horizontal to the right. Yes, to the left. So let's see how it looks. It's hiding. Now it is shining. Perfect. Okay. So let's add some blue to the close background, the close ground, and let's make it sticky. After that, let's make it slide from the bottom to the top. For the blur, let's make it blur when we go down. Great. Perfect. After that, let's select this mountain in orange, in light orange, and let's make it scroll to the left. Or to the right. It's much better to the right. After that, let's select the close. Yes, this one, this image of the back of the mountains, and let's make it to the left so we can create this effect. Great. Let's add some blue also when moving down. So let's add some blue. Level 2 will be fine. Great. Perfect. There's only some. The image is going right, and there is some empty space that we will fix it after. Now it is moving as we want. The sun is going up. The mountains are going left and right, and getting blurry. That's good. We are approaching from the final results. Let's add some blur to the brown mountains or brown ground. Perfect. To add the effect of being far. Let's check how it looks. Great. Some little blur also for the light mountains, light orange mountains. Okay, now let's add the text that we want to appear behind the ground, to the top. So let's make it welcome to our Wonderland. So our text. Select this color. Be great. This color, yes. Also the font also is great. Let's align it. You can play with the offset of the vertical and the horizontal orientation. Also, we modify the Z antext to be not there. To be, yes, yeah, 7. Now it is perfect. It should appear from behind, this ground, the second ground. This is still hiding. Text is still hiding. Now this is not what we want. We want the text to go up. So we should change a little bit the offset, vertical orientation. So it stays in the top, and when we scroll down, it gets to the top. Okay, let's modify its orientation. So I guess the problem is from the viewports. Yes, it should be to the top, and from 0 the bottom. Yes, like this. It should be like this. Great. Now we want also the text to be scaled up when it goes to the top. So let's modify the Z index so we can configure the text easily. Then we go back to number 7. We go to 6. Okay, let's move it a little bit down. No, it is hiding. I guess the problem is coming from the transform offsets. So I will modify the offset from transform. So I'll make it up. No, just a little bit. Good. So, great. That's great. That's what we want. Perfect. Let's hide it a little bit more. So now let's make it 6. Perfect. This is the result that we want. And here's it, guys. This is how to make a parallax backgrounds. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video if you like it, and to continue providing contents like this. Thank you very much. See you guys.